Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to convert KB into GB. So to KB into GB convert, so firstly open any browser and type here convert KB to GB. After click on enter, that is. So guys, you see your first result here KB. So click on one lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh KB to 1 GB. So guys, this is very easy and simple method convert KB into KB into GB. So ten lakh KB, so 1 GB. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.